Okay, so like, let's say you need to use Google for some reason. Just simply like, uh, it, you, you you just have a Google tab. I'll make a separate tutorial on how to do that. But you have the tab here, all right? you you just one second. I need to get my mouse. And then you click on the bar here as opposed to the bar up here, which also works, but more somehow. But people use this one anyway. And search whatever you want, such as like simple problems like. Like, see? That's all you need. If you want to go, like, shopping, perhaps? Buy some, like... Ooh, $9. $7. It's not bad. See? Yeah. And that's pretty much it. You do whatever that is. There's also this. Buy flights to potassium ferrocyanide. So,